क्या कोविड ने आपको घर में बिठाया है? क्या आपकी जॉब चली गई है? क्या आपने अभी वर्क फ्रॉम होम चालू किया है? क्या कोविड के कारण आप घर से काम कर रहे हैं? क्या कोविड के कारण आप लोगों ने वर्क फ्रॉम होम पकड़ा है? तो अगर न्यू जॉब लगी है आपको, तो उसमें आपको क्या मिला है? ऑफर लेटर मिला है या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एग्रीमेंट? क्या आपने चेक किया है? क्या कंपनी ने आपको बताया है कि ऑफर लेटर और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एग्रीमेंट में क्या डिफरेंस है? नहीं। तो आज हम ये जानेंगे कि ऑफर लेटर और कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एग्रीमेंट में क्या डिफरेंस है। आपने क्यों देखना चाहिए कि ऑफर लेटर मिला है या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एग्रीमेंट मिला है। तो हम आज के सेशन में देखते हैं कि क्या डिफरेंस है। Hey everyone, welcome to yet another session of Law for Beginners, Law Simplified. Today we shall see what the employment letter is, or what is the difference between an offer letter and a contract agreement. What is it that the company is giving you and what is useful for you, what you should look for when you sign a offer letter or you sign a contract agreement. Once you successfully get through your interview, you are told that you will be getting a offer letter. What is offer letter? Offer letter is just an informal information given to you that you have been selected for a specific post, for a specific duties. You shall be joining from a specific date and such other details that are informally informed to you. Now, what is a contract agreement then? A contract agreement is a written agreement that you have to sign, and it includes all the terms and conditions of your agreement. It includes the date of joining. It includes the date when the contract would terminate. It includes confidentiality covenants. It includes severance pay. There are many such things that are included in detail in a written agreement, and that act as a contract agreement. Offer letter tells you what the job holds for you and what you can expect from the job. Whereas contract agreement is for specific period of time. It is for a certain position, either temporary or permanent, and it is for certain projects. You have 24 hours to a week's time to sign a offer letter, and you can deny also if you don't want to sign it. Contract agreement is very time sensitive. You have to sign it within a week's period to confirm your position in that company. Offer letter falls under the purview of Section 3 to Section 8 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. Contract agreement also falls under the Contract Act of 1872. What does an offer letter includes? Well, offer letter includes your job title, your date of joining, your salary, your manager's name, your employment relationship, and the benefits that you will get. What does a contract agreement holds for you? A contract agreement has term of employment, title, your compensation and benefits, exclusivity, confidentiality, termination, severance pay, and arbitration. Offer letter is an at-will employment. Now, what do you mean by at-will employment? Well, at-will means that the employer as well as the employee both has the right to terminate their employment at any given time for any reason or no reason at all, and without any advance notice. Whereas a contract agreement is time specific, time bound. It has a specific period given in the agreement, and both the employer and the employee are bound by that written agreement the rules and regulations of the employment agreement. In a contract agreement, you have to do the specific or defined tasks that have been given by the employer. In an offer letter, the task or the job description is not very specified. It just tells you that you have to do work related to your designations. But in contract agreement, you have been told to do those specific actions or the task that is specified in the agreement. And if you don't abide by the rules, then there has to be termination, or you have to pay for not following the rules. Offer letter neither act as a contract nor it act as an agreement, whereas contract agreement is valid and legally bound and legally enforceable. Offer letter is generally a one-way communication. The employer cannot take any legal action against you for not doing the work properly or according to his wishes or any other reason. Whereas, as already told, that contract agreement is valid and legally enforceable, but it is legally enforceable only under the conditions that it is not by mistake, it is not by misrepresentation or by fraud or by undue influence of some other person, or coercion. If these factors are not there in the contract while signing the agreement, then the contract agreement holds valid in the court of law. So, the employer can take action on this contract agreement against an employee on the basis of Section 27 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. So the bottom line is that the offer letter is an unofficial way of presenting a job to the candidate, which is not legally binding, whereas a contract agreement is an agreement that is binding to both the parties and they both should live up to. So if you have understood the difference between the offer letter and the contract agreement, now you will be able to take a informed decision as to what you wish to join. Whether you wish to join a company who has offered you an offer letter, or you wish to join a company that has offered you a contract agreement. I hope you found the details benefiting for your decision making. If so, please do like and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for further information. Thank you so much.